Sitting in church, I began to look around at the people there. Many a face in this holy place had a subtle and silent stare. When suddenly a voice came to me, speaking softly in my head. A friendly voice, and this is what he said. Come in and rest before you start your test. You'll begin at the foot of the hill. And as we ascend from the valley of sin, remember to do God's will. He'll carry you through the darkest part, lift you high in the deepest end. He'll hand you hammer and nails at the foot of the hill and say, this is where we begin.